Imagine living in a home where every breath you take, every meal you eat, and every product you touch supports your health instead of secretly sabotaging it. If you're ready to create a cleaner, safer, more vibrant life for yourself and your family, you're in the right place. I'm Amy Todisco, Green Living mentor, podcast host, and course creator. And I've been living and teaching a non-toxic lifestyle for over 30 years, long before kale was cool. Through this channel, my courses, and my community, I'm here to help you thrive naturally without overwhelm, confusion, and second guessing. On Green Living Now, you'll find practical tips for clean eating, creating a non-toxic home, easily growing organic food almost anywhere, and holistic health tools to help you feel your best and prevent illness. You'll also hear conversations about healing ourselves, our community, and our planet. If that sounds like what you've been searching for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then click the bell so you'll never miss a new episode. And when you're ready to dive deeper, I invite you to grab one of my free resources, like the 5-step Green Living Kickstart Challenge or the Toxin Pantry Quiz. They're packed with simple, powerful steps that you can use right away to start detoxing your life and feeling better. You'll find the links below this video in the description. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress and empowerment. Every small step that you take matters, not just for your health, but for the future of this beautiful planet that we are all so lucky to live on. I am excited to be on this journey with you. Welcome to Green Living Now.